Hey everybody, I've gotten a lot of questions about the child tax credit and how it's different than the stimulus check. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the child tax credit. Recently, I've had a lot of questions around the child tax credit, or more specifically, the advanced child tax credit. I just wanted to make this quick video because this is very different than the stimulus checks that some of you might have received earlier this year or last year. This is an advanced tax credit, which you can kind of think of it as you're getting it early. I just want to break down some of the rules on how it works, who qualifies, how much you'll get, and then specifically, if this is something that you might not qualify based on changes that happened in 2021, what steps you should take just to make sure there's no tax surprises come next year. Quick overview, what are the dollar amounts that we're talking about here? So if you have a child under the age of 6, you might start receiving $300 per month starting in July through the rest of 2021. And if you have a child between the ages of 6 and 18, so 6 to 17 really, then you're gonna get $250 per month again through the rest of 2021 starting in July. But we do need to talk about the income qualifications. So if you have a child in one of those age ranges that I just described before, you have to have a household income under $75,000 if you're filing singly, under $150,000 if you're filing jointly, and then under $112,500 if you are filing as head of household. Now, if you make more than that, it doesn't mean you're not going to get any of the child tax credit, but it just starts to phase out after those dollar amounts. If you want to get the full amount, you have to be under those income limitations. But this is what I want to make a point of. If for some reason in 2020 you were under those income thresholds, that's what gives the green light to the IRS to start sending out these payments, again, if you have children. But if something changes in 2021, if your income is going to be higher than those thresholds, then you might end up owing some of this back. So that's why it's an advanced tax credit. It's not a stimulus check. This is not just free money. This is something that can be applied to your 2021 taxes. But what the IRS decided to do and what the administration decided to do is just send this out to parents a little bit early. So I'm going to post an article down below that really breaks down how this works, and if you do need to take steps to cancel this, you can go to the IRS's website and say, hey, you know what, no thanks, my situation has changed, please don't send me this. That is something that you can do if you've done the math and it works out. One last thing that I just want to bring up is if you've already filled out your W-4s and you've really fine-tuned your tax withholding in anticipation of being able to take this credit when you file your taxes, well, if you're getting it early, that might change some of the calculations. So this is something that you should definitely talk with your tax professional, or if you're working with a financial advisor, a good conversation to have. Again, I'm going to put all the details in a link to a great news article down below. And if you do have more questions, don't hesitate, reach out. Feel free to send me a message. I'm happy to jump on a Zoom call, or we can connect over email if you have more questions. My name is Alan Hensley. I am a wealth advisor here at Merriman Wealth Management in Seattle, Washington. I'd love to make more videos that are helpful and bring you some information. So if you have a topic that you want me to cover, let me know. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no.